Okay, students. Now we are going to be see the overview for Unit 2, Image Enhancement in the Spatial Domain in the Digital Image Processing. After we capture the image in different formation in different techniques, then how to enhance the quality of the image? How to enhance the quality? Because we are using different digital input devices in order to capture the image for various analysis purpose. That time if we consider or we have to be taken that digital input device may be a low configuration or having some defect, so in the capture in the to capture the image, so in this aspect what we have to be do in order to avoid the in order to avoid poor quality of the image to carry over the further processing, so we should enhance that image in the aspect spatial domain, the aspect of spatial domain with different type of techniques. So what we have to be studied in this chapter, how to enhance the image in spatial domain by using different techniques, the enhancement techniques, histogram processing, arithmetic and logic operations, and the filtering mechanism, the spatial filter, sharpening filter and smoothing the filter, and combining the spatial enhancement methods together. So all these methods, all these techniques, it is applicable to enhance the picture's quality, enhance the image quality. Just we have to get an overview. So the term spatial domain refers to the aggregate of a pixel composition and image. Because we know very well the basic unit of the image, pixels. So what way we are going to be do the analysis? We are going to be apply any transformation, any modification, anything that we are going to be apply on pixel by pixel in order to improve the quality. So you know very well there are two kind of method. The methodology we have to be follow in the digital image processing. One is we have to be called as spatial domain and another one is frequency domain. So as per the curriculum, we have to be discussed more and more about the spatial domain. Here you can see the resultant image g of x comma y, the coordinate x comma y. We have to be get the resultant image after the processing. If that image we are going to be apply for the enhancement purpose. So the f of x comma y, that is the input image, if we apply certain transformations, either scaling or rotation or translation, in order to improve the quality of the image, so that has to be performed, that has to be implemented, or that has to be achieved with a different type of techniques. The techniques we have to be see the overview of one by one. The first one is histogram processing. Histogram processing. So in this aspect, the gray level image, the binary image has to be considered from the low and high, its specified value, the range value, the range of the lowest one and the highest one we make it 0, the lowest one, and L minus 1 is the highest one. If 1 means L, 0 means L minus 1. So this can be used to, here you can see the four basic image types: dark, light, low contrast, high contrast, and their corresponding histograms. So we have to be increase the brightness, or we have to be increase the darkness, or we have to be increase the contrast. Like that, we have to be do the enhancement techniques or enhancement operations. So histogram manipulation can be effectively used for the enhancement purpose. So the histogram are the basis for the numerous spatial domain processing techniques. So that is the basic one, that is the foundation one, that is the fundamental one in order to enhance the quality of the image. Here, this is an example how we make it a different combination of the enhancement techniques together in order to increase the quality or increase the clarity for the existing image. Existing image. Here you can see the corresponding histogram. So all these operations we have to be remember, we know very well all these enhancement technique, how it carry out means by using the neighborhood pixels, by using the neighborhood pixels. Whenever we are going to be apply certain transmission or certain transformation on a particular image means the first thing we have to be fix the initial position where we are going to be start our enhancement technique, where we are going to be apply the enhancement concept, enhancement procedure. So that pixel, then we have to be consider the immediate surrounding pixels for that related one. So here this is an example clearly shows the neighborhood pixels value, how that should be considered. Here you can see the original image and we take a sub image in order to reflect that particular enhancement. The E is the center point we are going to be consider for our enhancement purpose. Then the remaining, the immediate neighborhood values also consider. We have to be perform this enhancement with the help of the center point as well as the neighborhood pixels of the particular selected image. So I think so. This is the overview. Make it the enhancement purpose in the spatial domain.